Good morning, tutor and classmate. I am a student of industrial engineer at UNA. I am going to about the Facebbok Case for the strategy manager class. Phase 4, team leadership, tutor Carla Natalia Triana, UNA. Facebbok Case. Exodus of Facebbok employees is a problem. Cause the stack company about the treatment they receive from their bosses. Consequently, currently employees ask for reference from former colleagues to work outside the company. Other cause, there exit from Facebook mode by careful planning. Consequently, Facebook classify department employees as either retrogradable or not retrogradable. Facebook can damage your CV. Thank you very much.